Welcome back to Brick by Brick. I'm Sam Lyman, and today we're going to be talking about whether or not LEGO Mario is a good investment. Okay, previously on this channel, I've talked about this set, which is a fire suit for LEGO Mario that you can add to him to enhance the playing ability of the Mario figure. And I've talked about some of the pros and cons of it, but I recently got two more LEGO Mario sets, and I will be showing you guys them now. So I got two of the same set, which were this one, which is the starter course for LEGO Mario. So the reason I think this is going to be the safest bet out of all of them is because in order really to play with or have a reason to invest in the other sets, you're probably going to want to have at least one of these, because it comes with this Mario figure. Without him, really the sets are way less fun. You can still build them, but the functionality aspect of having a Mario guy to jump around and play with the Legos is really what's going to set these sets apart and help them make them more recognizable and hopefully make you more money if you're investing in them. So I got two of these. LEGO Mario hasn't been done before. This is the first time that in the past year is the first time they've released a line of LEGO Mario sets. They continue to release new ones, but this was the first LEGO Mario set they released. Recently went on sale on Amazon. I was able to get it for 20% off. If you're still able to do that, I would recommend it, but don't put too much money in these. I was just kind of excited to branch out away from LEGO Star Wars. I know that can be a pretty good way of making money, but I thought this was going to be a good option, and it could be a good addition to your investment portfolio. So I wouldn't recommend you put too much money into it, but if you want to buy one or two of these starter sets, I think of the Mario sets, this one's going to be the best bet. I wouldn't recommend getting any of the ones that aren't this. They're still like the expansion pack things. They might go up in value, but I don't think it will be as much as these. Anyhow, this has been Brick by Brick. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.